Are you looking for the best female urination devices 2024? In this video, we will look at some of the best female urination devices on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description box below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Sunany female urination device. In case you are in search of a good female urination device, the Sunany female urination device is the best that you should consider. All in all, the Sunany female urination device can be considered as highly useful for all the women who would like to urinate while standing. It is best used outdoor activities and traveling. One can piss without having to use a toilet. The product is versatile and it can also assist a disabled or an injured person get up and urinate without squatting and causing more pain. If you are interested in it, Sunany provides full refund if there is any issue with the product. Number 2. Sunany female urination device. The Sunany female urination device offers a hassle-free and mess-free solution for standing up to pee. Its soft silicone material ensures comfort, and the discreet bag makes it easy to clean and store. The convenience it provides makes it a recommended choice for women on the go. If you are searching for a simple FUD that is portable, well-designed and easy to use, the Sunany female urination device is worth to purchase. Regarding the usage of the Sunany female urination device, it was very simple to use, and using it to pee while standing was not a problem at all. The silicone material is soft, and it feels comfortable on the skin, and for cleaning it is very easy, and they come with a discreet bag for storage as well. What must be noted is that it will take a while before one can master the use of it, so to speak. The client is advised to practice it at home a few times before taking it to restaurants in a bid to avoid embarrassments. In general, we can state that the Sunany female urination device should be recommended to every woman who is searching for a comfortable and space-saving way to pee outside. Number 3. Sunany female urination device. When it comes to a female urination device that is not only effective but also user-friendly, the Sunany female urination device deserves the honor. After testing the Sunany female urination device, we found out that it was quite efficient. The material of the silicone is smooth and comfortable to wear, and the features like the moisture-proof can be wiped cleanly. The compact one has a nice holding, as it fits tightly and ergonomically. The long nozzle and foldable extension to easily ensure the accurate direction of the jet stream and no splashing. For a new user, it might take some time to learn how to use FUD, but in our case, the Sunany FUD was not very complex once we learned how to use it. However, there are reviews of some minor leakage problems. Thus, it is crucial to ensure that the apparatus utilized is placed correctly and held firmly. All in all, for those who are in search of an effective female urination device, the Sunany brand can be relied upon for an effective product for outdoor or traveling usage. The entire equipment is small and easy to wash. This is great when traveling, especially camping or hiking. The design of the equipment is such that it does not leak. Number 4. Love Island Disposable Female Urinal Funnel. For those who are interested in a quick and clean way of peeing while traveling or camping, the Love Island Disposable Female Urinal Funnel can be the perfect choice. Recently, we went camping to test the Love Island Disposable Female Urinal Funnel, and were pleasantly surprised by its simplicity. The funnel is collapsible and small, therefore is not bulky, and it can easily fit in your handbag. When you want to urinate, one can just open the funnel to embrace the private area where one wants to urinate. This funnel is perfect as it is meant to hub your body, making sure that you don't spill the content you are trying to pour. The Love Island funnel is extraordinary because of it. You can take a wee while standing, which is definitely a bonus when you are in the bush or traveling. Gone are the days when people had to squat over smelly toilets and bushes. It is also convenient when you're at a festival or any other outdoor sports, where the chances are you will not be near a bathroom. However, there are a few demerits as well. The Love Island funnel, albeit it is so minor that it hardly deserves a mention. One major disadvantage is that it is quite unsustainable for the environment, given that it is fully disposable. Some users may also note the funnel is somewhat large to be incorporated in purse or backpack easily. But then again, since it is made from paper, this may not be as strong as some of the other types. In summary, we believe that the Love Island disposable female urinal funnel is the best recommendation for the women looking for an effective and clean way to pee when they are traveling or camping. It is not ideal but serves its purpose and is very functional. If you are interested in something that is more environmentally friendly or something that is more long-lasting, there are other choices that would better suit you. Number 5. TRIPTIPS Conch Foldable Female Urinal Device. Portable urinal for women. For any woman who loves to travel and engage in outdoor activities, we highly recommend the TRIPTIPS Conch Foldable Female Urinal Device. This female urination device is one of a kind that avails the ladies the luxury of relieving themselves wherever they are, whenever they desire to. The TRIPTIPS Conch Foldable Female Urinal Device is the simplest answer to the immediate need for a bathroom whenever one is outdoors. The biggest adventure should not be looking for a washroom whenever you are on a trip. You can now eliminate the use of dirty public toilets. It becomes handy if you are in outdoor activities, over traveling in a tent, or on a road trip, and it is available for use anytime. Embrace the freedom. The body is constructed from soft and flexible silicone, and both ends are constructed of high-quality plastic, which makes the feeling during use extremely comfortable. All that is required is to wash it briefly after each usage, and then place it in the waterproof casing. It's reusable. Forget the stress of purchasing them every time you plan on a particular trip. Number 6. PeeBuddy Female Urination Device. These collapsible, single-use funnels aren't as foolproof as reusable ones, but they still work well. Through hikers, truck drivers, field researchers, and gender-diverse people have long devised innovative solutions for peeing while on the go, and for people with vulvas. Female urination devices, colloquially and more inclusively called pee funnels, have been a game changer. I consider myself an expert on all things down there. I even wrote the first and only health book to feature dozens of unairbrushed vulvas. But until the pandemic, I'd never before tried to pee while standing, with the help of a funnel, to figure out the best tools to help me overcome my urinary anatomical limitations. I spent a lot of time in my bathroom and backyard peeing on and into 18 different disposable and reusable funnels. A pee funnel essentially acts as a urethral proxy for a penis, directing urine away from your body and clothing. Peeing through one is very much like using a funnel to pour gasoline from a can into a car, except that the gas can is a bladder full of urine, and the car is anywhere that's not your legs and shoes. Peeing while standing is delightfully freeing. Oh, how this would have saved my sanity in the third trimester of pregnancy. It can also feel safer than the more vulnerable squatting position. Pee funnels can make it possible to pee standing up at a urinal, or to remain more aware of your environment while peeing outside. Now that I've been inducted into the free-to-pee movement, I can't imagine going anywhere without a pee funnel. After a lot of trial and error, including to other disasters, I recommend the Tinkle Bell for most people who want a reusable pee funnel. It has a stable, rigid base and a flexible spout, both of which make it sturdy and impossible to collapse during use, a nightmare I experienced while using a lesser funnel in my shower, which is, by the way, the perfect place to practice. The Tinkle Bell is also among the longest and widest of all the available one-piece reusable pee funnels, and that makes it easier and less messy to use than the competition. The more coverage a pee funnel affords, the lower the leakage risk, and the longer the spout, the farther it shoots your pee away from you. In terms of cleaning the funnel, a simple rinse works when you're on the go, and it's easy to clean with soap and water once you're back home. The manufacturer even says the Tinkle Bell is dishwasher safe. Although it's larger than most funnels, the Tinkle Bell folds up for more compact storage. For about another $8, you can get one with a matching case, though I'd prefer to carry mine in a plastic baggie, along with a pack of tissues and some hand sanitizer. If the Tinkle Bell is sold out, the perfunctory but popular Freshette also works well. This rigid funnel has a more traditional, conical base, and it comes with a separate extension tube, which makes the Freshette slightly more of a hassle to stow and keep clean. but it's the same length as and slightly wider than the less expensive Tinkle Bell. Number 7. TravelJohn Disposable Urinal TJ1A. Anyone with or without a penis can use these simple disposable pouches to catch and contain pee. Unlike the Tinkle Bell, which just redirects pee, the TravelJohn is a urine collection device that has a rigid, vulva-friendly opening. We found that it's a relatively inexpensive and hygienic way to safely pee anywhere, in a car, at the park, at the drive-in movie theater. Each single-use pouch currently costs around $2.40. You pee into the opening, wait a few seconds for the expelled urine to turn into a leak-resistant gel, and then simply toss the whole thing in the trash when possible. The company's TravelJohn, which is typically more expensive, is the exact same pouch, but in pink. The TravelJohn Jr. has the same size opening as the TravelJohn, but the pouch has less capacity. We wouldn't risk overfilling it. Get the TravelJohn to avoid confusion and spills. Have your kids practice at home in the shower or outside before springing this on them when they need to go while on the go. When I compared the similar Peeball by Shiwi with the TravelJohn, I preferred peeing into the Peeball because it has a larger capacity and zips closed. At the time of initial publication, it was sold out everywhere. It's now available in multi-packs.